I'm Scott Monfort. I'm the Extension Peanut Agronomist with the University of Georgia. To kind of help give a crop update for this peanut year, as everybody starts to begin to come in and be a part of the Georgia Peanut Tour this year, we do have a very good crop to look at, although we have had several challenges that we have faced over the growing year. We've had a lot of rain, and we usually don't complain about rain, but this year we have a tremendous amount of rain throughout the growing year, and it has caused some of the crop to be quite a bit late. So we're kind of broken into two different crops this year. We got an early crop and a late crop. And for the most part, we're just now getting to where we're starting to dig this early crop, and it looks pretty good right now. We are dealing with diseases and some insect problems, and then as well as some harvest problems just because of the rain that we continue to get. We need a good bit of dry weather in order to get these peanuts out of the ground, get them dried, and get them to where we can harvest them, get them to the buying points. And so as you are out this week looking at the different processes that we go through to harvest this crop, you'll understand more about what I'm talking about here. Some of these areas are going to be very lush and green, and then we've got a couple of pockets that we might go through that's going to be quite dry. But for the most part, our crop this year is probably average to maybe a little bit above. It depends on how well the weather holds out and stays hot through October. And so that's going to be a big factor here in regard to how well this crop ends up. But at this point, we're saying that we do have a good crop. But we do have quite a few challenges that we are facing and dealing with, and hopefully as we go through this we'll give you a sense at a lot of the field stops at what we're talking about, some of the challenges, and hopefully you'll get to see some of those challenges as we go through this 3-day event.